The Bangalore city's founders, the Nadaprabhu Kempegowdas, the Statue of Prosperity, also known as the Pragatiya Pratime, has been inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi on 11th of November 2022. So in this video, let us discuss about the various factors which are associated with the statue. Let's talk about the economical aspect, the political aspect, the social aspect, the environmental aspect, and also the financial and tourism aspect which are related to this particular statue. So let us talk about the Statue of Prosperity. As you know that the Statue of Prosperity is situated in Kempegowdas International Airport Terminal 2. So obviously, since it is located near the airport, every single day thousands and lakhs of people are visiting near that particular places, and most importantly, people are traveling from one city to another city with the help of this airport. So each and every day, whoever visiting this airport, definitely they will visit this statue. So obviously the government has made certain entry ticket to visit this statue. So obviously the economical growth, the revenue generations is gonna happen for sure. So within a couple of years, whatever the amount which they have invested to build the entire statue, they can easily recover. The economical growth is immense. Now let us talk about the cultural and social impact which is going to happen to this particular statue. As you know that the statue is located near the airport, every single day thousands of people are visiting. The people who come to visit this statue, they not only visit Bangalore, they also visit the surrounding places in Bangalore, the surrounding districts in Bangalore. So definitely we can say that socially and culturally, we're going to get a lot of benefits from this particular statue. Now let us talk about the political aspects and political benefits associated with this particular statue. If you talk about these political aspects, as you know that this statue was built under the Modi government. In Karnataka also Modi government is there. So what I feel is that the next year Karnataka is going to face 2023 ML elections. I believe that easily the present government will take a lot of pride, a lot of contribution, and more importantly, they will showcase this as one of their major achievement in the upcoming election, and more importantly, they may gonna get a lot of massive votes in the coming days. I don't know, let me wait and see. Now let us talk about the tourism aspects which are related to this particular statue. As you know that the statue is located in Karnataka's capital city, that is Bangalore. Each and every person who is there in Karnataka definitely want to visit this statue. Sooner or later, they're gonna visit, no doubt about it. So in this way, the tourism industry is gonna grow like anything, and neighboring states which are there in Karnataka, especially Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Maharashtra, whenever they are visiting Bangalore, they definitely take a time and visit this statue as well. So in this way, we can able to understand, we can able to analyze that the tourism is also gonna grow a lot more in the coming days. Now let us talk about the pride aspects which are related to this particular statue. As you know that the Statue of Unity which is there in India, that is Gujarat, is one of the world's #1 statue in the entire world. So in Karnataka there is no tallest statue was present till now, but right now we can feel very proud, we can feel very great that in Bangalore Kempegowda statue has been built. So it is one of the very pride factor for each and every Kannadigas, and more importantly, everyone who are there in Karnataka, they feel a lot of pride, they feel a lot of respect towards Kempegowdas, and more importantly, everyone loves it. Now let us understand some of the facts which are related to this particular statue. As you know that the height of the statue is 108 feet, and it is one of the tallest statue in India, and more importantly, this statue is made up of bronze, and it has been recorded in the World Book of Records by London. The second fact is that the total weightage of this statue is 218 tons, out of which 90 tons is a combination of bronze and 120 tons is a combination of steel. The surprising thing is that if you can see that weight of the sword, it is 4 tons, that is roughly 4000 kg. And the third fact is that beside this Statue of Prosperity, they have built 23 acres theme park. It's one of the very interesting. Why? Because in this theme park we can able to see a lot of very good fruits, lot of very good flowers, and more importantly we can see amphitheater, we can see a lot of laser shows will be happening, and more importantly a lot of amenities will be there for boys and girls, and guest house will be there for visitors, and a lot of amazing opportunities and a lot of amazing facilities they have made in this particular theme park. Now let us understand who is the creator of this statue, who is the designer of this statue. The designer of this statue is Padma Bhushan's Ram Vanji Sutar. This person has designed not only Statue of Prosperity but also designed the Statue of Unity, that is world's tallest statue, which is situated in Gujarat. K&K Constructions and Private Limited. This company took a complete responsibility to complete this statue in time. I hope you have gained a lot of information related to this Statue of Prosperity right now. I hope you like this video. Let me know your feedback in the comment section, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel so that I will come up with wonderful, amazing content especially for you. With this, I am concluding now. This is Manish Kumar signing off. Until we meet again. Thank you so much. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.